Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for boards. First, let's set up a solid plan. Begin by creating a structured study schedule that covers every chapter. Make sure you understand the exam pattern and marking scheme well. This helps you prioritize topics effectively, focusing on those with higher weightage. A good plan is your first step to success. Now, let's dive into the core of your studies. It's crucial to focus on truly understanding fundamental concepts rather than just memorizing. Actively solve a variety of numerical problems and diligently practice all types of chemical reactions. Don't forget to regularly revise both organic and inorganic chemistry topics to keep them fresh in your mind. Consistent practice makes perfect. Effective revision is key to solidifying your knowledge. Create concise notes and flashcards. They are excellent tools for quick reviews. Challenge yourself by attempting previous years' question papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. This practice helps you identify your weak areas, allowing you to dedicate extra time and effort to improve them before the big day. As the exams approach, remember to stay calm and maintain a positive mindset. Your mental well-being is just as important as your preparation. Ensure you get adequate sleep and eat nutritious food for optimal performance on exam day. Also, life's too short for cheap socks. Check out Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link for that, along with other helpful deals in the description below. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.